The Rocket Pharma family, numbering close to 200 team members and growing.
Living and breathing core values: trust,
generosity,
curiosity,
Elevate.
on a mission to develop gene therapy cures for people living with rare and devastating diseases.
the only pure-play gene therapy company harnessing the potential of both ex vivo lentiviral
And in vivo AAV platforms.
Compelling proof of concept across 4 clinical programs.
The first company to show proof of concept for gene therapy targeting the heart.
Achievements thanks to the rare disease patients participating in our clinical studies, helping to make our vision a reality.
We put patients and their families first and strive to create a community where they can come together
And feel supported.
They are our driving force, our North Star.
To celebrate and honor these remarkable people, we've handcrafted 1 star for each one of our stars, patients in Rocket's clinical trials.
Located in our state-of-the-art AAV gene therapy manufacturing facility in Cranbury, New Jersey,
the wall is a visual reminder to the Rocket family and visitors of the real stars.
Patients.
let the stars guide us, drive us, and light our way.
Toward a brighter future for those living with rare and devastating diseases.
See the true pioneers in gene therapy research,
The patients,
the brightest forces in our galaxy,
Who remind and motivate us each and every day
to seek gene therapy cures.